Right now, more than 2,000 people in Wisconsin are waiting for a life-saving organ, including one man in Milwaukee who got tired of playing the waiting game. And as Casey Geraldo found out, he came up with a unique way to ask people for help. Casey.
He has, Steve. You've probably seen writing on cars like this before. People use it to sell cars or celebrate events, but this car's asking for someone to save a life. Meet Life.
This is what basically acts as the kidney.
The machine keeping Jonathan Morales alive.
I was diagnosed with end-stage renal disease. Basically, my kidneys were failing.
Morales had no previous health issues until he ended up in the emergency room.
One says, you know, you're having a heart attack.
At age 23. Now, 6 years later, the school paraprofessional and UWM student spends more than 12 hours a week hooked up to Life.
I've heard of people done it for about 10, 12 years.
Waiting for a kidney donor who matches him.
I was crushed.
Morales' girlfriend Andrea was tested but wasn't a match.
There's just so many reasons that you can get rejected or they feel that you're not a good fit. So even if we have 2 or 3 people getting tested, none of them might actually make it.
Which is why they're hoping this message on their cars will get more people testing. It may be unconventional, but they're sending the same message as these orange dots at the Blood Center of Wisconsin.
Somebody who needs an organ will die without a transplant.
During Donate Life Month, they're encouraging people to discuss donation.
Really, we need people to step up and say they're going to donate their organs when they die. But also, we need more people to step up and say, think about whether they can be a donor when they're living.
It's the heroic step Morales and Burby hope someone will do for him.
To be healthier and just be able to follow the path that I've been following despite my condition.
If you think that you'd be interested in donating, there are a few steps you can take, and we have links and phone numbers on TMJ4.com. It is a long process, but it can also be a life-saving one. Most people on the donor list are waiting for kidneys. In Milwaukee, I'm Casey Geraldo for the Now Milwaukee.
Casey, thank you.